Hi, thanks for visiting my channel, A to Z eLearning Ally. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications for upcoming videos. Thanks so much for your continued support by clicking the like button as well. Are you looking for a tool to create professional and visual videos your audience will love? If yes, I'd like to introduce Powtoon, the visual communication platform, because this enables you to make your own videos regardless of your technology literacy or design skill. In this video, I'll share my findings regarding this tool based on the following criteria: functionality, accessibility, resources, pricing, and integration. Alright, let's get started. In terms of functionality, this tool is user-friendly because it is easy to sign up with either an email address or Google or Facebook account. In addition, Powtoon offers lots of animated characters, templates, video backgrounds, soundtracks, and much more. For instance, I selected Edu among the pre-built templates, including remote learning, learning and development, customer and partner education, marketing, and more. After selecting the teacher intro under the Edu template, I changed the words and size of text and images when needed, as you see. Next, Powtoon provides accessibility statements on their website to keep us informed that they are committed to make web content accessible through continued improvement and introduction of accessibility options, features, and new technologies. As the concrete example, this website also allows you to choose the right accessibility profile for you. However, I could not find a way to add alt text to my images in my videos. In addition, adding audio on each slide is not available under my active plan free. Therefore, I'll need to upgrade my plan later and plan to provide my audience with a transcript at this point to reduce barriers to access this video. Therefore, it would be safe to say that Powtoon might need to improve these options for accessibility. As you might guess, there are pricing and plans that you can choose based on your needs and circumstances. For instance, if you work in education and need to create your video with over 3 minutes length, you could select one of the educational plans. First, we want to know if Powtoon provides us with any resources in case we need any help regarding this tool. Ta-da! As soon as you click Tutorials under the Support section, you should be able to see webinars, tutorials, ebooks, and infographics, and much more. You can find relevant resources regarding your questions through Help Center. After clicking Contact Us section, you can also submit a ticket to Powtoon so that they can assist you with your inquiry. Last but not least, this tool integrates with Microsoft Teams, Adobe Photoshop, PowerPoint, Canvas, and much more. As you see my course content in Canvas, I was able to share my video. After clicking the share icon and then selecting the copy link button. If you want to assign and grade video projects with Powtoon, click Talk to an Expert to book a demo. You can find more information regarding integration by clicking on and more. If you'd like to share your videos with others, please leave the shareable link below so that we can learn from one another. Alright? If you found it useful or informative, please click the like button and subscribe button to see more videos in the future. If you prefer, turn on the notifications to be informed at once. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, suggestions related to my videos, please leave a note down below or email me at a-g-elearningally@outlook.com to share your insights. Thanks for watching and please remain safe.